Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to consume a REST service in Mendix, using live cryptocurrency data as an example. Imagine integrating real-time crypto prices into your Mendix app. Let's dive into the process. We'll use a public API to get live prices. First, open your browser and access a service like Binance or CoinMarketCap. For this demo, we'll use Binance API to fetch latest data. With the blank Mendix app open, let's start by integrating the Binance API. In the Project Explorer, right-click your module, and select Add Other and choose Consumed REST Service, Beta. This feature allows us to consume external REST APIs easily. Now let's configure the request to fetch cryptocurrency prices. First, give your request a name. For the method, choose Get, since we'll be retrieving data. Next, click the Configuration and Authentication button to input the URL. Since this API doesn't require authentication, leave those fields empty. Now, click Send to test the request. You'll see the JSON response with the data. Once the request is successful, we can move to the next step of creating a non-persistable entity for the response structure. After the entity is created, you'll see it added automatically to the domain model, ready to be used in your app. Now let's create a microflow to fetch the data using the REST request we just configured. First, create a new microflow and name it. Inside the microflow, add a send REST request action and select the request we previously created. In the output section, ensure that use return value is set to yes, and select list as the return type. This will hold all the data returned by the API. Finally, set the return value of the microflow to this list, allowing us to display the data in the app. Now that we've set up the microflow, let's move back to the homepage to display the cryptocurrency data. First, add a data grid 2 to the page. In the data source settings, choose the microflow we just created. Next, configure the columns to display the most relevant parameters. Once everything is set, remove the Add New and Edit buttons from the data grid since they aren't needed for this display. This will ensure a clean, real-time data view on your homepage. Now that everything is set up, it's time to run the app and see it in action. Click Run to launch the app. Once loaded, you'll see the real-time cryptocurrency data displayed on your homepage. With everything configured, your app is now pulling live data from the Binance API and displaying it seamlessly. Congratulations! Thanks for watching.